Can an LLC be taxed as a C corporation? Yes. An LLC can choose to be taxed as a C corporation by filing Form 8832 with the IRS. This election changes how your LLC's income is taxed, but does not change its legal structure as an LLC. With C Corp taxation, the LLC itself pays corporate income tax on its profits. If profits are distributed to members as dividends, those dividends are taxed again on the members' personal tax returns. This is known as double taxation. While it may sound like a disadvantage, some LLCs choose C Corp taxation to take advantage of lower corporate tax rates, reinvest profits in the business, or attract investors. This setup is more complex and usually makes sense for larger businesses planning to scale. For most small businesses, the default pass-through taxation of an LLC is simpler and more tax efficient. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you make the C Corp tax election if it's the right fit for your business. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.